To install TikTok Feed on your Shopify store, you need to follow a few simple steps. There are two options depending on what theme version you have. If you have a Shopify 2.0 theme, please follow the steps. For legacy Shopify themes, the steps differ slightly, which we will cover later. Option 1 for Shopify 2.0 themes. 1. Log in to your Shopify dashboard and navigate to the TikTok Feed app dashboard. 2. Connect your TikTok account. To do this, simply click the Connect button. 3. Add TikTok Feed to your Shopify store. Go to Online Store, Themes, Customize. Make sure you have enabled the app embed setting. Click Add Section, scroll down to Apps and find TikTok Feed. Finally, click Save to publish your feed live on your store. Option 2 for legacy themes. 1. Go to Online Store, Themes, Customize. 2. Click Add Section. 3. Select Custom Content or Custom HTML and add it to your page. 4. Add the code. Click Save to publish your feed live on your store. 5. Go to Online Store, Themes, Edit Code, find theme.liquid. Add this JavaScript file anywhere. Click Save.